Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's JaquishaLatisse, and today's video is going to be a review over the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation and the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Foundation. Now, these are two different shades. This is in NC45 and this is in the number 410. So on my right side of the face, I will do Fenty Beauty. On my left side of the face, I will do MAC. So I didn't tell you all that I got the Fenty Beauty foundation, but I did. And I have two beauty blenders here. And I'm going to be using the black one on this side for the Fenty Beauty, and on the left side I'll use the pink one. So I've only used this foundation one time. So this says it's a soft matte long wear foundation, but on the box it says medium to full coverage for all, long wear light as air. And so yeah, we'll see how that goes. So I'm going to pump some foundation on my hand. It's kind of thick but runny at the same time. And I forgot to mention that I will be spraying the Fix Plus with the Beauty Blender. This does have a scent to it, but it smells perfumey, but it's not too, too strong. And what I've noticed from this foundation, you have to move very quickly. But it dries matte. And that's why I wanted to compare the two, because they both dry matte. They both dry matte. And the colors are kind of similar, so you will see how it goes. So as I mentioned, this foundation has a floral scent, and it smells really good. So it covers up enough. But I'm still not sure if this is my correct foundation. And again, this is in 410. And it is matte. And you can build it up, but I say you have to do it as soon as you put it on. Like if you think you need more, like you have to hurry up and put the foundation on, because it dries quickly. And now we're about to do the same with the MAC Studio Fix Fluid, and I'll be using a different beauty blender. Unfortunately, this one doesn't have a pump, so I dab some on my hand. And this one is thick as well. It's not runny as the Fenty Beauty foundation. I'm gonna take this one. This one has a subtle scent to it, and this one actually is lighter than the Fenty Beauty one. So it has it almost smells like paint to me, a little bit. It almost smells like paint. So I'm going to take that one. I have a yellow version, so but they got MAC version to this one. When I use those oxidizers, it oxidizes. And so does the Fenty as well. I'm usually don't do that foundation, but you can use concealers, but okay, this is to sure. I feel like this side is lighter, a little lighter, and this side is a little darker. But I feel like for my best I feel like for the best fit for me right now will probably be the MAC Studio Fix Fluid, because it blends more into my skin, and yeah, so we will see after everything gets finished. So I will be back with my face finished. Alright, you guys, I'm back. So I have my full face here, and I think they actually both look the exact same. The MAC side oxidized to the Fenty Beauty color, really. And so I'm liking both of them. What I can say about the MAC one, it was a little bit lighter, but again, it oxidized to a great color. The Fenty Beauty one, as soon as it dried, it oxidized, and it settled pretty fast. I did like that, because if I'm in a rush, I can just go ahead and throw that on. Don't have to worry about it drying and getting my face together. So yeah, and this lip is actually the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Gloss in Vamp. That is this right here. I love this color. I love Anastasia's lip gloss. It smells so good. It makes you want to like eat it. Like, I love their lip gloss. But yeah, if you guys try the MAC foundation, please let me know how you feel about it. And if you have tried the Fenty Beauty foundation, please let me know how you feel about that one as well. Leave it in the comment section below. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at JaquishaLatisse. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also subscribe to my channel so you can get notifications when I post videos, girl, because yeah, you need to know. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.